Good morning students. We were doing chapter 4 of World Politics, Alternative Centers of Power. Today beta we are going to do another alternative center of power, that is BRICS. That is BRICS. BRICS. B for Brazil, R for Russia, I for India, C for China and S for South Africa. So it is an we can say it is also a small organization, a small group which is made for the economic or financial assistance. Okay beta, this BRICS was made in earlier it was na BRIC, earlier it was BRIC, BRIC, because Brazil, Russia, India and China, these four countries have founded the BRIC in 2006 in Russia. Okay, and that's why it was earlier BRIC, BRIC. But in 2010 when South Africa has also joined it, then it became BRICS, BRICS. But its headquarter is at Shanghai in China, and its founder members are four. First four: Brazil, India, China and Russia. These are the founder members, and I told you later South Africa has joined it. Okay, its official languages are Portuguese, Russian, Hindi, Chinese and English. Okay, and BRICS 5 members have 42% of the world's population, 23% of the global GDP and around 17% of share in world trade these countries are having. So it is also like a international financial organization which is mainly made for the financial assistance. Okay beta, so up to 2009 na जो ब्रिक्स थे इसके members were not meeting and they were not arranging summits, but in 2009 they have decided to meet annually and arrange summits every year. Okay, so in 2009 the we can say first summit of BRICS was held in, at that time it was BRIC was held in Russia. Okay beta, now we are going to do objectives. What are the objectives of BRICS? The first objective of the BRICS is primarily to cooperate between the member nations for the development. Second is to distribute mutual economic benefits among its members. Third, non-interference in the internal policies of each nation and mutual equality. Small nation is also there, big nations are, two big nations are also there, so they decided not to interfere in the internal affairs of each other and they will respect equality. It was decided. Next objective is it also act as bridge between developed and developing countries, because you have seen beta, in this group some countries are developed countries and some countries are developing countries. Next is beta, in World Trade Organization WTO, BRICS countries are trying to promote a fair order regarding agricultural policies. You know na beta, always World Trade Organization is criticized for making agricultural policies in favor of developed countries. So BRICS countries are trying to bring a balance or to make agricultural policies in favor of developing countries. It is forcing the World Trade Organization to make agricultural policies in favor of developing countries also, not always in favor of developed country. And the last objective of the BRIC is to provide financial support to various projects and infrastructures. Okay, then beta, BRICS summit. I told you first BRICS summit yani inaugural summit was held in 2009 in Russia. Then a question arises beta ki in India when and how many summits are held, can be asked in 1 marks question. So in India up to this time period 2 summits are held. First summit in India was held in 2012 and then in 2016 8th BRICS summit was held in India in Goa. ठीक है, Then China hosted the 9th BRICS summit in Xiamen in September 2017. And now recently, the we can say most recently summit of BRICS was arranged by Brazil, okay, on 13th 14th November 2019, and the 12th summit will be held in Russia, again. And where beta? In Russia, in St. Petersburg, okay. And Vladimir Putin will be the head of the summit. So this was all about BRICS summit. So we can say up to 2019 BRICS has already conducted how many 12 summits, okay. Then achievements of BRICS, achievements as well as failures of BRICS. First the big achievement of the BRICS is the inclusion of South Africa in the group. Earlier it was BRIC, BRIC, but in 2010 South Africa joined it, so now it became BRICS, BRICS. And as South Africa has joined it, it has opened the way of trade for other 4 countries in South Africa. It's a big achievement for BRIC countries, okay beta. Second achievement is setting up of New Development Bank, NDB. Full form can be asked, New Development Bank. It is also commonly known as a BRICS Bank. And the setting up of this bank was seen as alternate to International Monetary Fund, IMF, okay. And according to an agreement on NDB, the bank shall support public or private projects through loans. Yani it will give loans to the member countries to start public and private projects. It was formed in which year? 2014, and its headquarter is also located at Shanghai in China, and its first president was KV Kamath, one Indian person. Now we are going to do the failures of the BRICS. So many other achievements also BRICS is having beta, but side by side it is having failures also, okay. The BRICS has been always criticized for its failures on many issues also. The first failure of the BRICS is one of the common criticism which is faced by the member countries is lack of understanding between them, okay. There is China and India, and you know how are the relations of China and India. So always the BRICS is criticized that the members are not having proper understanding. They are having their own conflicts, and that's why every decision is delayed, okay. This is the one reason ki why the BRICS bank was formed in 2014. इतना लेट क्यों हो गया है ना? In 2006 this organization was formed, and they were able to made its combined bank in 2014. Why? Because they were not agree. Many 2-3 countries were not agree on this issue, so that's why it took a delay, okay बेटा. उसके बाद देखो, many countries have always pointed out and criticized the BRICS for the domination of China, because a big amount in the BRIC is coming from China, so always China is trying to dominate it. So many countries and many critics are criticizing BRICS for the domination of China. Next is beta, mainly this organization is formed for the economic purposes only. Whenever they are meeting in summits, they are discussing only the economic issues, financial issues. They are not discussing global issues like climate change and environmental issues and terrorism. So for this purpose also the BRICS is criticized. And the most important criticism is the ongoing tussle between India and China regarding borders. ठीक है कि when India and China are member of a group, they have made this group, and then why they are fighting for the border, okay. They must settle this dispute by negotiation, है ना. So for this also the BRICS is criticized a lot. So this was all about this alternative center of power, that is BRICS. Goodbye.